Right here at Miss Mandaluyong preliminary round, we have here Barangay Ibaba, Pleasant Hills, and Malamig. Hello na, medyo nakahinga na, di ba?
Yeah, super.
Ikaw, artistahin. Sabi nila, you look like Raisa Senon of GMA7. How does it feel?
I feel so grateful kasi ang dami na din nagsasabi aside from Raisa Senon, Julia Barreto, lahat na hindi ko na alam kung sino kamukha ko mamaten. Feeling ko ikaw na lang.
Sabi nga nila, you know what, Pleasant Hills, I was so amazed with your talent. It was nerve-wracking.
I'm a student athlete. I'm a ballroom dancer since grade 5.
It was so amazing. Nakakagulat. It was so good.
Actually, it was a short preparation for us kasi bigla nag-back out yung partner ko, so we had to find another partner to able na matawid tong pre-pageant na to.
Anyway, natawid naman, di ba? Malamig, what is your preparations to this pageant? I think you have a lot of preparations in order for you to get the crown. What are those?
Yeah, actually, I don't have a lot of preparation because I have work. So, I only have rehearsals during weekends. And then, if possible, I can rehearse for at least 1 hour or 2 hours a day.
What impressed me is that your talent, hindi siya masyadong nakikita in any other pageants that we have. Oh, why do you have that skill?
Oh, actually, I was an athlete since I was in grade school and up until now, competing with the name of Mandaluyong, of course. Yeah, I'm an athlete. That's
An
why.
athlete of?
Arnis.
Arnis
Yeah,
talaga.
that's my talent.
It was so nice. It was so impressive. Kinalabutan ako sa talent mo. It was really good.
Thank you so much.
And you're from Poblacion. Alam mo, you have a resemblance of Marian Rivera. I don't know sino palagi yung sinasabing artista.
Actually, you're right, Marian Rivera. I always hear from other people na kamukha ko daw si Marian Rivera.
What is your expectation in this pageant? I think 25 all girls are very, very much competitive. Nakakaloka. Kala ko noon, not so, but tonight, talagang lahat pukpukan.
Yeah, it is. And it is actually my first time joining Miss Mandaluyong, and I'm seeing this previous candidatas na talaga na lumalaban, like in international competition. So I'm honored to be with them, and you know, we'll never know what will happen this year.
Actually, na-expect ko po, well, all of us, my fellow women, were all equally beautiful and I just hope for the best.
We were happy kasi natapos na yung preliminary, and then expectation namin is sana lahat kami is masaya kahit manalo matalo man.
200,000 at stake for the winner, isn't it? I think 100 or so, di ba? Medyo malaki. Eh, what are you going to do with the money if ever? You'll be crowned as the new Miss Mandaluyong.
If I would win, itatabi ko po yung pera for my college fund. Kasi as for now, I'm with for college, so I only need the money po for college.
25 lovely candidates, isn't it? Including you. So 24, mga pukpukan talaga eh. I think this is one of the best batches of Miss Mandaluyong kasi nga silver. So, do you think, what is your edge in order for you to get the crown?
I think my edge is just being myself, as a lot of candidates is really amazing, and I think being myself will give me an edge to the crown.